Reveal the benefits. 60-second Cabbage Soup Diet Recipe. Diet benefits. Looking for a quick and healthy way to kickstart your diet? The Cabbage Soup Diet is a fantastic option. Packed with nutrients, cabbage is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: cabbage, tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, carrots, and seasonings. Instructions: chop all vegetables and simmer in water for about 30 minutes. Blend if you prefer a smooth consistency. Enjoy it warm or chilled, and you'll be on your way to a healthier you. Why cabbage soup works. The high fiber content keeps you feeling full longer while delivering essential vitamins and minerals to support overall health. Tips for success. Try adding different spices or herbs like basil, thyme, or parsley to enhance flavor. Ensure a balanced diet by pairing the soup with lean proteins and healthy fats. Want to learn more? Visit our website,